Every day, this factory produces enough frozen pizzas to feed an entire city.
Before sunrise, one of America's largest pizza factories is already operating at full speed. Every production day begins with strict food safety procedures. Inside these walls, advanced technology and skilled workers operate together. At peak production, thousands of pizzas move through the facility every hour. The journey begins with truckloads of premium flour arriving daily. Automated systems carefully measure every ingredient entering production. Every ingredient is tested before it enters the production line. Giant mixers combine simple ingredients into pizza dough.
Within minutes, the foundation of every pizza begins to take shape.
Precise measurements ensure consistency in every batch produced.
Experienced specialists verify dough quality before production continues.
Approved dough now begins its journey through the factory.
The dough rests under carefully controlled temperature conditions.
During proofing, the dough develops its light texture and structure.
The next stage transforms dough into perfectly shaped pizza bases.
Powerful rollers create the consistent thickness customers expect.
Thousands of pizza bases are formed every hour with remarkable precision.
Advanced sensors inspect every base before toppings are added. Now the transformation truly begins as the pizzas approach the topping line.
The next stage gives every pizza its signature flavor foundation. Thousands of gallons of tomato sauce are prepared every day.
Every drop is carefully controlled before reaching the pizzas.
Now each pizza receives a perfectly measured portion of sauce. Automated spreaders create an even layer across every crust. Precision at this stage ensures consistency across millions of pizzas. With the sauce complete, the pizzas continue to the next major stage. Mozzarella cheese arrives in enormous quantities every single day. Large blocks of cheese are shredded and prepared for production. Advanced systems transport cheese directly to the topping stations. This section is responsible for one of the most recognizable parts of any pizza. High-speed systems distribute cheese evenly across the entire surface.
The production line now begins to resemble the final product.
Quality specialists verify coverage and consistency throughout production.
For specialty pizzas, toppings are added with remarkable precision.
Every slice is positioned automatically to match exact specifications. Different production lines create a variety of pizza recipes.
Now the pizzas approach the stage where the transformation becomes dramatic. Ahead lies one of the largest cooking systems in the entire facility.
These industrial ovens operate continuously, baking thousands of pizzas every hour.
Inside, carefully controlled heat transforms raw ingredients into finished pizzas. Within minutes, the mozzarella begins its transformation. Heat activates flavors while creating the texture consumers expect. The scale of production becomes truly visible from above. As the crust browns, each pizza approaches its finished appearance.
Advanced sensors continuously monitor every stage of the baking process.
Moments later, thousands of freshly baked pizzas exit the ovens.
The result is a pizza with a golden crust and perfectly melted cheese.
Before freezing begins, the pizzas must cool under controlled conditions.
The next stage preserves freshness for transportation and storage.
Powerful freezing technology rapidly lowers the temperature of every pizza.
Rapid freezing helps maintain texture, flavor, and product quality. The finished products are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses.
Every day, refrigerated trucks deliver these pizzas across the country.
From raw ingredients to store shelves, this is how millions of frozen pizzas are made every day.